Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a look at DroidKit, the most powerful Samsung FRP bypass tool. We'll bypass FRP lock on Samsung and gain full access to your device in just a few simple steps. Before we dive into DroidKit, let's quickly talk about FRP, or Factory Reset Protection. It's a security feature built into Android phones designed to prevent unauthorized access if your device is lost or stolen. Basically, after a factory reset, you need to enter the Google account credentials that were previously used on the phone to unlock it. But what happens if you forget your Google account password? Or maybe you bought a used phone and the previous owner didn't remove their account? You're stuck, unable to access your device. This is where FRP bypass tools like DroidKit come in. They offer a way to potentially unlock your device without those credentials. In this video, we'll be testing DroidKit to see how it works, what devices it supports, and if it's a reliable solution for legitimate FRP unlock situations. Alright, let's take a closer look at DroidKit itself. This is the main interface. As you can see, it's pretty clean and straightforward. DroidKit isn't just about FRP bypass. It's a whole suite of Android utilities. But today, we're focusing on the FRP unlock feature, which you can find right here. Once you select FRP unlock, you'll see it supports a wide range of devices. They're constantly updating this, so it's always good to check their website for the latest supported models. It's compatible with many Samsung, Google, and other major Android brands. The process is generally simple. You connect your phone, select your device model, and DroidKit guides you through the rest. Depending on your phone and Android version, DroidKit might use different bypass methods to ensure the highest success rate. This is a big plus, as not all FRP tools offer this flexibility. Beyond FRP, DroidKit also boasts other helpful tools. You can recover lost data, fix system issues, even unlock your screen if you forget your PIN or pattern. It's a really handy toolkit to have if you're an Android user. But for now, our focus is FRP. So in the next scene, we'll walk through a real-world test of the FRP unlock process using DroidKit. We'll show you step-by-step how it works, actually. Okay, let's get into the actual FRP bypass process. I'm using a Samsung Android phone for this demonstration. First, connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure your phone is recognized by DroidKit. You might need to install USB drivers if you haven't already. DroidKit usually prompts you if needed. Now, let's summarize our experience with DroidKit by looking at its pros and cons. Starting with the positives, DroidKit's biggest strength is its ease of use. The interface is intuitive, and the step-by-step instructions are generally clear. It supports a wide range of Android devices and offers multiple bypass methods, which is a big plus. The success rate in our test was good, and the process was relatively quick. Plus, it's not just an FRP tool. It has other useful features like data recovery and system repair. However, there are some potential downsides. The software isn't free. While there's a trial version, you'll need a paid license for full functionality. Also, while DroidKit aims to minimize data loss, it's not guaranteed. There's always a risk of losing some data during the FRP bypass process. Finally, device compatibility is crucial. While DroidKit supports many devices, it might not work with every single model or Android version. It's essential to check their website for compatibility before you purchase. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about DroidKit or FRP bypass in general. I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching. Remember to use FRP bypass tools responsibly and ethically. Until next time, stay safe and stay unlocked.